Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus Rising singles for the month of February 2026. I cannot say February in one word. I have a tongue twisting problem. I don't know. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below, honey. And please keep in mind it's general reading. It might or might not resonate. Okay, don't take it personally if it is not resonating. Even if it is resonating, don't take it too much personally. Use your common sense and logical aspects as well. Let's see your current energies regarding love and relationship area, Libra. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, Judgment card. Bottom of the deck is a Queen of Cups. You guys are still suffering from some kind of left out in the cold kind of energy. It's like you guys are dragging your feet in the mud, and you guys are giving it the name of. I am in the process of letting go and surrender. I am in the process of cleaning up the mess from the previous chapters of my life. It's still hurting me. It's still bothering me. It's going to take some time. It's not going to be easy for me, but I'm trying, right? Bottom of the deck is a Queen of Cups. You're definitely trying to get yourself into this energy of self love, self care, self healing, and you're trying your best to do whatever it takes from your side to heal yourself properly from all the previous experiences, previous bad experiences that you're still healing from, that you're still dealing with. And it's very difficult for you guys to do this, but you guys are trying your best to keep moving forward, letting go of the feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, and trying your best to not to get trapped again in the same kind of energies, okay, that you have gone through before as well in your life. Okay, let's see your energies for your new person, new connection, new bond for this month, Libra. We have Six of Wands, World card, King of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Justice card. Libra, there are very good chances you are going to connect with somebody in some kind of meeting, get together. Maybe you guys are going to attend some kind of workshop or seminar or something. Maybe you guys are going to travel somewhere. There are very good chances you guys will be able to connect with someone charming, very good looking, very much like a full of life kind of person, a full of life, full of energy kind of a person. Now this is going to be some kind of initial infatuation or attraction between you guys, but this is going to be really meaningful and beautiful. It's like something that you are going to come along while you are doing your own thing, working on your business, job, career, finances, or somebody is going to catch you while you are, on social media doing something really beautiful, है ना? Okay, so it's like you guys are going to connect with somebody. Maybe you guys are going to be from two totally different cultural backgrounds, or two totally different countries or cities. But there is going to be a lot of pull, attraction, infatuation. You guys are going to feel a lot of butterflies in the butterflies in the stomach kind of energy from both the sides. Bottom of the deck is a Justice card. At the same time, you guys are going to try your best to not to get too much involved too quickly, because in your current energies you guys are still dealing with something or someone from your past, dealing with this energy of letting go and surrender. So it's going to be difficult for you to just jump all over into a situation, like 100% into a situation. That's actually a good thing. So you guys are going to try your best to keep things very fair, keep things very balanced, not over giving and not under giving. Cool. So there are very good chances of you connecting with somebody, like on a global level, like globally maybe, or while whatever it is, like while traveling or online, something that you are going to do online, they are going to like it's going to catch their eye, they are going to connect, and then you guys are going to start talking. But there is a like there's going to be distance between you guys, but it is going to be a lot of because of the distance thing itself, it's going to make you guys more inclined towards each other. Awesome. Awesome energy. You are the, I think, first sign who got this much clear energy for a new person in the month of Feb 2026. Enjoy. Let's see the message for you guys from the romance angels for a new person, new bond, new connection. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay, open your heart. Keep your energies open to the idea of connecting with somebody. Okay, slowly but surely. I'm not saying to jump into bed with someone like if you met them yesterday or something. What I'm trying to say here is keep your energies optimistic and open to the idea of connecting with people. You never know when you are going to meet your soulmate. But if you are not going to take the risk, if you are not going to keep your energies open, your heart open to receive the blessings, to receive the love that you are meant for, then you will never be able to figure it out, right? So if you are feeling like going ahead, give like your go ahead with your open heart. If you are feeling like you are not ready, you can keep yourself at a distance right now. Okay, don't worry about it. It's your choice, it's your decision, but whatever you do, do it with all of your heart and soul, whether you are going in or you are not going in. Let's see for a past person, past situation that you might be still stuck on, Libra. We have the Sun card, the Chariot, and the Knight of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Swords. It's like both of you still playing games with each other, but one of you is definitely trying to manipulate the situation by making the other person think that they are moving on, they are not coming back, they are gone for good, and they're trying to, pretend to be very, very happy. They are going to make it a point, whether you are going to make it a point or them or both of you, that both of you are moving on and you guys don't give a shit about each other anymore. Both of your lives are very beautiful, very meaningful. You guys are living your best lives without each other, and both of you are just trying to run away from each other as far as possible and making it a point. The point here is making it a point to let the other person see that you are moving on and you are not interested. Bottom of the deck is Seven of Swords. One of you is definitely lying here. One of you is definitely being deceptive here, because even if they're pretending to run away, even if they're pretending to move on from the situation and never looking back, they're actually still involved in the situation. So I don't see somebody coming towards you. I don't see you going towards somebody from the past. But I do see this manipulation, this game of I'm going to show them who I am, or I'm going to show them I am very, very happy without them, and I don't give a rat's ass if they're alive or if they're dead. It's like the manipulation, the game. Somebody is playing mind games here into thinking that they are not interested or they don't care anymore, but they do. Again, it can be them, it can be you, it can be both of you, but it's not healthy at all. Let's see from the romance angel what we guys have for you for this past person, past energy. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. So if you guys feel like you guys still love this person, there's still potential in the situation between you and this particular person from the past. Stop playing the games with each other. Stop playing the games and make a genuine effort to make things work out in a beautiful and positive way. And if you guys think that this chapter is over, they are playing games with you again and again and again, and you can't do anything about it, then let this go. Don't ruin your life on something that you know is not good for you or not meant for you. Think about it properly. Okay, even if it is going to hurt you for some time, it's going to save you from a lifetime of misery. So yeah, take it how it resonates with you, but if it is not good, leave it. If it is good, don't stop playing games, stop playing this I don't care kind of game, and be honest. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this month, Libra. We have the Three of Wands, Four of Swords, King of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is a Wheel of Fortune. Okay. It's actually like the divine is also telling you to keep moving forward in your life. Detach yourself from everything or everyone that is keeping you as an option, or that is keeping you on hold all the time, or that person, that situation is not capable of giving you the clarity, the love that you deserve. Forget about the love, the clarity, the understanding, the energy of what they are up to and what they want from you. If you are not getting the proper clarity and understanding of how the things are going to be and what this represents to them and to you, then keep moving forward in your life. Focus on your money, job, career, finances, and most importantly, your stability, the inner stability, that you are okay, you are safe, you are secure, you are grounded with or without anyone in your life. You don't need somebody else in your life to make you feel complete, to make you feel grounded, to make you feel safe. That you have to keep in mind. Keep moving forward, keep on detaching yourself from people, situations, or things that you know are not going to give you what you deserve, and stay focused on your stability. Okay, financially as well, and otherwise mentally and emotionally as well. Bottom of the deck is the wheel of fortune. The tables are going to turn in your favor only when you are going to make them turn in your favor. Libra, if you are going to keep yourself deliberately stuck on something or someone that you know is not meant for you or good for you, then the divine can also do nothing about it. Divine is neutral. Whatever you are going to do, it's going to reflect back in double frequency, you can say. If you are anxious, if you are continuously waiting for something or someone, if you are keeping yourself on hold, all you are going to get is irritation, frustration, anger, and sadness. But if you are moving forward, if you are like respecting yourself enough that it's okay to not to be loved by the wrong person, then the tables will turn in your favor slowly but surely. The problem is not about moving forward. The problem is keeping yourself in that vibration of keeping more moving forward no matter what. That's the problem here. Okay, let's see the final message for you guys from the romance angels for this month, Libra. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. It's about you. It's about you. I told you the deceptive energies in a situation from the past, but it's up to you right now if you are going to remove your masks or not. If you are going to be honest with yourself from this point onwards or not, or if you are going to play the same kind of game. Yeah, your ego is making you dance and you're dancing. Hmm? That's the question here that you guys have to ask yourself and work on it on a deeper level. Okay, my love. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.